Where we going?
Prison.
Oh, okay. Beds. Thanks.
Just leave me alone,
Huh.
ho. Trick that nigga.
How so?
Nah. That nigga, he trying to float with me. And I saw when he was trying to take on off.
Oh, they trying to kill me.
All you gotta do is don't drop.
And I just turned. Yeah, I didn't drive, I just turned on. I was looking at him from the
Your ass almost died too, bro.
R1 position.
Nah. No. It don't take. I won't go be there that long. As soon as you said, I already knew what you were talking about. One dude right here.
Hey, see you going to the top. I'm going to the bottom.
Nah, come to the top with me.
Hostile.
Oh, you can't come to the
Somebody
top.
coming up there.
I can come to the top.
Yeah, come to the top. We should just stick together, man. I don't know how many times I gotta say it.
Bruh.
I want to say that we've been highly efficient together and apart today.
Bro, get your ass back. I come to the one, you come to my shit and pick all my shit. Nigga, oh, hell no, don't tell me to stick
I
together.
landed
Nah,
first.
yeah,
I landed
yeah.
first. Stop trying to come up with a reason not to
You
stick
ain't
together,
land
nigga.
first, nigga.
did
I
land
landed first,
If
nigga.
you land first, how I got a shield? You did. Explain that.
Because I went over the box, nigga.
Oh, okay. So you missed it. Cause I land first.
Oh,
Fuck.
this nigga right here, he still cause when I let this nigga here, but I
Yeah,
tell you,
yeah. Go on
this
talking
nigga-
circles. But you said nothing.
Sound
Yeah,
good
but
as hell, boy.
you said a word. Oh! I fucked up. I did some E shit.
Got your ass there.
Look where I'm at.
Fuck
Look where
the
I'm at.
ball
Look where I'm at.
That nigga on the outside of that motherfucker. Hit him with the. Oh, I failed, bro.
I'll try and land on that.
Damn, man, where you at, boy?
Damn, he put hands on him. Power chief.
Fuck wrong
That
with this
nigga ain't
nigga,
got no
man.
power. Oh, it's that single shot.
Over here now.
I think the other box below us, darn. I think one below us. Oh, no. So I'm like this PPSH. Is that a king?
Nope. That's
Let's see.
You've got gas moving in.
Identified most wanted contract.
What is it? Is that
Am I gonna grab that king?
Y'all finna grab it.
Hey, come on to the door. Come on
Shit.
to this door, man.
So don't grab the
There's a
king?
door in the bottom part where they came from.
No, nigga, the gas come. Well, I mean, you can grab the king. You can grab the king, or you might go into the bottom. Gas right there,
Where you at, there? Oh,
right over here.
Gas already here?
Yes,
yeah,
nigga.
yeah, it's over there. Yeah.
Come on, man.
What door y'all going to?
On the bus.
Right here.
Make for target location.
All right, my nigga. All right, man.
Man,
What?
Okay, I'm about to say, I ain't never been to this one. Hey, we can,
So
we
they-
can
man,
land
they-
on ATC. But nah, you
Yeah,
wanna go over
they
here?
just gonna send a nigga though.
Yeah, I wanna go.
We can land there first and then go. We can land on ATC first and then go though.
We need
Now we
money.
go down here.
Yeah, we need money. We need to load up, or we can go to
Might be able-
ATC. Man.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if it was a box over here.
Hey, it sound like somebody shooting over here.
To the left. I heard shooting shots to the left as I was coming down. We got load up money. I think.
All right.
Yeah, we got load up money. We got load up.
Don't forget you got the king too.
Oh shit, we finna die. I did.
How you say that?
Go
got
get
the
load
king, I'll
up.
just
Go
let
get
him
load
know.
up so we can go. Yeah, we need to go. I know I shouldn't
Here you
have
come
grabbed
to you.
it. I grabbed it against
I ain't got enough, bro. What time
24
is it?
seconds. 24. I'm coming. I said come to you. 24 seconds. Get it and throw it.
Hey, car pulling up. They look
Car.
at me. I don't know if they're deep or not.
I'm under fire.
Hey, you gotta move, man. Yeah, he's in a bad spot. Man, what you doing?
Still here. Still standing.
Killing me.
You not the nigga?
Did you down somebody?
That nigga behind this tree, I can't get to him.
Yeah.
Let me go get down. Oh, you got him?
Nah, he here.
Oh,
Is that another team?
shit. That nigga tear my ass up, them grenades.
You survived. Good job.
I'm headshotting him, bro. It's no man. Come on. That shit was right on target with his head.
I cracked. He behind that tree. Is he? Yeah, he down. He
Yeah,
down.
he down.
Oh, somebody to the right. Somebody right here on us.
Oh, motherfucker.
I'm coming, Z.
Go loot that nigga shit, man. Nah, it's ain't white. Go loot that dude shit by the tree, man.
Still here.
Oh, you
Still
behind?
standing.
Alright, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm behind.
You got the plate? Hell yeah. Was it 3 or just 2?
Need,
Gas is inbound.
hold up. Do you need plate?
Yeah, I ain't got
Oh,
that.
go and get the other. Get that dude stuff.
Please have It's up here? Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, he right here.
All the way up there.
They should have won that game. Man. Well, I guess I saw them first. They put up on the vehicle. They're on foot, they probably got him.
That one don't like the car.
Alright, HTC? Or ATC? We have to move.
Boxes in here though. Hey, the what's the name?
Hey, we get server. Two of y'all get, both y'all get server by. We were 100 short.
Oh, some boxes over there, fire?
Ammo.
I'm getting some ammo and shit.
Okay, which yeah. Okay, now, damn, wish the ball was up here. 2 people get server. Surviving that UAV.
Gas is inbound.
Somebody shooting.
Sniper.
Somebody shooting from northeast.
Like these. They shooting from up the hill.
Yeah. Back kind of to the left. From
Yeah,
where
they're
you
right there.
at.
Yeah.
Oh, I see them, they're right here.
Yeah.
Coordinates. God lost.
Yeah, I ain't got no sniper, man. Well, they gotta jump. They gotta come out.
Got perfect position for the too.
Hey, somebody behind me.
Shots here.
Hold up. Damn.
There's somebody behind me. Someone behind the police station.
I just seen a nigga right here. They're in that same position we were when we won the game.
Yeah, they
I
behind
just
me.
seen
Oh shit! Yeah. They climbed up top.
They gotta come down
You
though.
up though. Oh man. I was trying to beat them niggas up top.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive,
Oh, there's a
they
nigga
can
right here.
deploy.
Over here.
Yeah, bitch,
Your
get your ass
teammates
on.
done in. They're returning to base.
I broke that nigga shield.
Let me know if you come back.
He's still right there. He's still right there. Got it.
I'm finna run to you. Here, watch me, okay?
Hold on, I'm playing up. He had shot me. He over here by the tree.
Positive
On in.
contact.
AT mine primed.
You gonna let me? I come to you now?
You could try.
It ain't easy.
That you don't shoot like?
Oh, no.
That's
That
the
show
other
ain't
nigga.
give me that. That's some bullshit.
It wasn't on target.
Nah, that shit was on target, bro.
Well, on my camera, it looked like you shot behind that nigga and then you shot his
Man,
silhouette.
I was shooting on that nigga. The same way I got this 1100
Oh, somebody
damage.
behind us.
The same way I was.
I cracked him.
I'm under fire.
He on that rock. He behind that rock.
He up the hill. Look right there. The other shot that nigga right there. Damn. Blew that nigga ass up. Get that money though.
You're in the gulag.
somebody else
you got
Point
four.
to own redeployment.
There was a nigga from up the hill that was shooting.
Yeah,
Got a nigga on the 4-wheeler back there too. Yeah, him.
Here we go. Get ready to
On
fight.
this,
You're
sir.
next.
Building. Right there. To your left, close to the building. Get to it.
Listen up, soldier. Win here.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit,
you gonna have to go down the
right.
hill. You gotta go down the hill.
You're done. Sort them out or capture the objective. Kick their ass. Stand by for redeployment.
Two of them, they can't move. Down. Yeah, he ain't got no place. Shit. Rocking the whole place for real, ain't it?
Need a ride?
Make for
Nah,
the
he was.
location.
Find some place. Oh, look. Stay low, stay low.
Oh, somebody else?
Somebody else is shooting you. Somebody else, yeah. I think they was on the train. Right that nigga with shit. Him right here.
Come
Hey.
on.
You had some plates, that nigga would have been dead.
Yeah, he was dead.
You had some plates,
Right.
that nigga would have been dead.
I forgot I had no plates.
You had already shot the nigga who you cracked, and then you cracked that nigga.
They want any nigga finna die. On everything.
Got to.
Your teammate has entered the
see him.
gulag.
Oh my god.
Ooh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You finna
Damn.
ride this fence already, car? You gotta cross
Yep.
it. You probably
Good.
Your teammate's done.
Come on.
Are you sure he went to the
man.
Oni? Oh, shit. I think he went to the
It's all up
fence.
to you now. Go for the win.
Jump down a little bit.
Just piss me off. Supposed to be dead. Y'all see him?
There you go. Kill that nigga, Z. Kill that nigga, man.
Nigga right up on you.
Yep.
Shit,
Might be up there with you. There you go. Oh, him too. Bitch, what you thought you was gonna do?
They had that gun out again. I forgot I had it.
Oh, what? I like this thing.
I forgot I had it. I
number
forgot I had it.
hand.
Please forgot
He was like, oh shit, I can't reload. What the fuck?
had to cancel my
What else
reload.
do I have, goddamn?
Boy.
What else do I have?
Oh, shit, nigga right there. See him? Probably finna
Hell
die.
nah.
There's somebody right here.
Just went down the hill.
Yeah. Oh.
You need to make sure your secondary is good too.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
That's
That's
him.
him.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah. Get the corner to the left. Oh, hell no. Just another one?
Wow, just about how
I know you scared that nigga. No, you scared him more than he scared you. I promise you.
That shit
boy.
surprised me.
Is that money over there? Over there by the door?
Look like a bouncing Betty.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, that bit. Oh, like a bill, boy.
Know who is homeboy is. Bouncing Biddy and shit. Oh, we hang out with Raven, boy. How many years in the service you did, man?
Nigga said, boy.
Shit.
I was in there with Raymond, nigga.
Had to be. You in there. Oh, we already got one that got his head shaved. Scratch skin off of that motherfucker, boy.
Time's running out. Get to the target area.
Gotta go through hell and high water to get to that.
Rally on that vehicle.
It's a team out there. That's who's shooting at me. Fuck. I'm finna run to a team when I go over here this way. That's who's shooting at that dude that I was chasing. It was on that bridge.
No goddamn storage gonna be whamming, boy.
I'm coming back if I can make it. Goodbye.
My way. I'll drive.
I said you can put it over there.
Enforcer?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, bro. We've been making it without the loadout. All these games for real, bro.
Gas is
Yeah.
closing.
Bears.
It's a new safe zone.
Get there.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'll come back.
They in the building. They over here. They over here.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Contract's done.
Oh, man, we got
Layout
the
limit has increased.
They over here. Exactly what I heard. Nigga.
Hostile.
Thank you, boss. Hey, drop on that king, darn. What the nigga, man? He just ran to a team.
Oh shit, somebody chasing him. Somebody chasing
He
him.
just died. 2 people killed him.
Gas is closing in.
Hey, it's a nigga right there, and it's a nigga. They trying to they trying to corner your ass. They trying to get you. They right.
Yeah, over
They
there.
went
Yeah, I
into
see him, I see
this
him, I
building.
see him.
Yeah.
I rolled back. I just rolled back.
Damn.
I was just about to catch him open in the middle of the street or some shit.
I'm finna
guess
land
from-
on top
from
of
this
food
building?
real quick.
5 remaining.
Where? Okay. Alright, bet. Oh, somebody got loaded out over there. Other side of the building. Far side.
They just got it.
They just popped it. They just popped it. They just popped it.
Alright, right.
Damn.
There you go, right.
25 remaining. We lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time.
10 on some humbug.
Hey. If it hadn't been for his teammate, that nigga would have been dead, bro.